Hey guys, so today I'm going to be eating this piece of paper. It's actually a paper, guys, yeah. No. Yeah, you wouldn't be seeing anybody really eating paper, so yeah, I'm going to be the first person to do it. Eat this part. I'm going to take one bite. So this is how it looks now. It's going to go look. That's how it looks. It's good. Now I swallow it. Yep, it's gone. Swallowed. It's pretty good.